how to fix unable to add card in Apple Wallet. So I'm going to show you a few fixes. For the first one, you want to go into your phone settings, and here we will just go into the General tab. Now from within the General tab, you want to click on Software Update and make sure you have the most up-to-date version of iOS. So if you see any screen like this, Update Now, you want to update to the latest version. Now if it still doesn't work, another thing that you can do is check if your card is eligible to be used on Apple Wallet. What you can do is contact your card provider and ask if you can normally add it to your Apple Wallet. And basically, if that doesn't work either, the last thing that I can suggest doing is simply restarting your phone. Sometimes a simple restart fixes issues such as these. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.